Nichinga ki Tim Matiang'i Linda Ground wagenderete gutarira chibunge ao kurose kaunti ya Kisii ni kaunti ya Nyamira. Aseganga yo wakire koko anene Dr. Fredo Kengu Matiang'i asokoriye kirukyo burai wense. Litukulia lero nigo bariganirwe imeye bunge ya Bonchari no yokuriye kirukyo bujumbe omo wakili Cliff Ombeta oyokwanira oburayi obuya.
Ruto, Sugoi, Matiang'i, Ruto, Sugoi, Matiang'i, Ruto, Matiang'i,
Ross Orondo, Rebecca Nyatich, abubakuriye kirugokyo bo women rep ime county ya Kisii. Igo bakwanira engana yo kwegerera abasubati naboigo bali bamenyate no bolema.
Era mumanyete umechando tobwate. Okogenda gari nyagitari wate wonye tobwatisha tolikorwali. Tolikoenda kliniki. Kliniki kya kabere kya bosa. Ni jango rwanda rabanchari ndajambiriye chiro gari. Muno yo mona na rwanerete koyenda bangina. Lakini tali gafingia. Intu twensi buna tora na abantu ba Matiang'i. Nando muntu narole isiko ya Matiang'i.
Murara Kebaso oyubego kurigia kirugokyo bujumbe kurase bunge ya Burabu kaunti ya Nyamira nigamu che serikali asoko bano gwanchereria gukurika abane mirimo.
And from Bonchari here, I want to ask you, did you get anybody from Bonchari here who got an opportunity to be an army officer? No. 5,000 people graduated in this country and no young person got a job. Now you should know this, ladies and gentlemen. These parents, they work very hard to take us to school. They sell land, they sell cows, and we go to school, we get certificates to come and be idle. That is why young people are available to be misused and used as goons.
Komentanajwe ni gamo chenkwana yo speaker we National Assembly Moses Wetangula.
The Speaker of the National Assembly Moses Wetangula saying without any shame that he has taken member of parliament to State House and they were given letters for Teacher Service Commission for employment as teachers. This employment by politicians by an independent commission that is independent by the constitution.
Samuelio Dr. Birundu yukuliye kirukyo bujumbe imeye bunge ya Nyaribari chache aboli abasae otiga gutumeka bobe ge siasa.
Abantu baminto babire koba bakoba mobilize buna guns. Asa beire gakora gumono Nyaribari na Bonchari. Na abasoroire abana baminto kibesa kirimo kwewunga mutiko bagunzi muita abamino. Kaki chigikerie mo basako bwata kibesa cyo guita abantu bamino.
Kuroiga se bunge ya Bonchari ime county ya Kisii ya Nenkorokwa Dipon Asanya.